So we've got some cherry tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
You want to taste some?
Yeah, sure.
I like having tomatoes raw.
Mm.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good actually. I just don't like the big ones. I like the small cherry.
Oh, but these ones are good because it's super
alright.
sweet. You know why?
Yeah.
Because these tomatoes are called vine-ripened, which means when they pluck the tomatoes, it still has like its stem on it, like the vines still attached.
Yeah.
So that the vines, like the vines inside the vine, it contains sugar.
Oh.
So the longer you keep it together with the vine, the sweeter your tomatoes will be.
Oh, I never knew that.
So the big tomatoes that you don't like, it's not sweet, right?
Yeah.
Because they pluck it without the vines. So therefore it no longer receives the sugar from the vine. So when you buy tomatoes, you want to get the vine-ripened. You want to try this?
Yeah. I like it.
Good, right? Sweet, right?
Yeah.
So next time you know.
Yeah.
What kind of tomatoes should you get?
The one with the vines.
High five. Smart boy.